Which one of the following equations is represented by the graph of a circle? A, x squared plus y squared equals 0. B, x squared plus y squared equals -1. C, x squared plus y squared equals x squared minus y squared. Or D, x squared plus y squared equals 1. The general equation for the graph of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where the center is the point h comma k, and the radius is r, which is greater than 0. So let's look at each of these options. In part A, we have x squared plus y squared equals 0. At first glance, this might look like the equation of a circle with center at 0, 0. However, the radius would be 0, and the radius must be greater than 0. And so the equation in choice A is not the equation of a circle. In part B, or choice B, we have x squared plus y squared equals -1. Again, at first glance, it may look like this is the equation of a circle with center at the origin. However, if we look at the right side of the equation, r squared would have to be equal to -1, and therefore this is not the equation of a circle. In part C, or choice C, we have x squared plus y squared equals x squared minus y squared. If we subtract x squared from both sides of the equation, this equation would simplify to y squared equals -y squared, or 2y squared equals 0. This is not the equation of a circle. In part D, we have x squared plus y squared equals 1. Looking at this equation, this is the equation of a circle with center at the origin and radius equal to 1. And so therefore, the equation shown that is the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared equals 1.